Next fan is was believed to be a Northman hugger. This was another one I had gotten for free on Marketplace at one point. It was actually in the same hull as that Encon Crusader. This one was in kind of rough shape when I got it. I did clean it up the best I could, get all the mechanical issues figured out. And it does have that kind of cool, fancier stencil. It should be gold, but it kind of is faded to like more of a kind of a yellowish green, which is an interesting look, I suppose. Definitely a neat fan. And it does have a mushroom globe with blue flowers on it, which I added. They look nice on it. All right, I'll go through. Yeah, we think it's a Northman. I would assume this was made by CEC. Could be wrong on that, but it looks like a late 80s, early 90s CEC thing. I believe this was from 1989, if I'm remembering right. It does hum a little, but nothing terrible. That's cool stained glass. It's medium. Decent airflow, nothing crazy given that it's a hugger, but it does do something. There's high. They are in the process of doing some paint work in this floor, so I'm sure they're going to touch up that ceiling ring where the light fixture used to be. But yeah, nice smooth runner as well. Yeah, I mean, not bad for a hugger. I'd say it's on par with like a U42.